So the purpose behind the project planner is to give you a good understanding of what things might cost whenever it comes to outdoor lighting, whenever it comes to a patio, whenever it comes to our signature bubbling boulder line, whenever it comes to water features, etc. We wanted something out there to give a rough understanding of what it actually costs whenever it comes to everything to do with your backyard or front yard. We want to make this process as easy for you as possible. So if you are interested in checking out the project planner, just go to whitewillowdesigns.com, click the project planner, select whatever type of landscape you want, whatever type of outdoor lighting package you want. We have the whole nine on there to give you a rough understanding of what things actually cost. And after that is submitted, at that point, someone from our team will reach out to you to be able to set up an in-person consultation and to meet your needs.